Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with the board powered down and confirmed dead. That protects you and the equipment. Once done, remove any cover and clear nearby wires so you can work unobstructed. Next, identify the terminal style and select the matching driver. Using the wrong driver can round the head and jam it. Now position the tip, apply steady pressure, and turn counterclockwise until the clamping action loosens enough to free the conductor. With the screw loosened, you should be able to nudge the conductor. If it still binds, back the screw a quarter turn and try again. For stranded conductors, grasp the insulation near the terminal and pull while wiggling to break any corrosion or paint adhesion. Avoid yanking the strand to prevent fraying. If the wire has a ferrule, make sure the clamp is fully retracted and pull straight out. If it resists, reseat the driver and loosen further. After extraction, immediately inspect the conductor and terminal. You want clean copper and intact clamp hardware. If the conductor is nicked, cut and restrip to proper length. Make sure the terminal screw threads and clamp face are free of debris or deformation because those cause future failures. If the screw is stuck, apply a small amount of penetrating oil, let it soak briefly, then use the correct size driver and slow, steady force. Heat only if safe and you understood the risks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.